Welcome back everyone, Game Time here. Before I start listing all the other Prizm that I've been opening, I decided to kind of finish up what I started. I've opened the several different kinds of boxes, the retail box, the fat pack boxes, just regular packs I got from the store, all kinds of stuff. But what's the other one? Oh, I can't remember, the one that's like 50 bucks. But anyways, I have not opened this fast break yet, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. 18 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, find 1 auto. I did not do very well, surprisingly, with the jumbo packs, but I did do very well with just the plain retail box of this. And I really thought, should I just get another one of those instead of getting this fast break? But I just haven't opened this yet, so I just kind of wanted to, just because, I mean, you kind of get tired of opening the same stuff over and over again, even if it does, you know, provide you with a pretty good deal, or what I think was a pretty good deal. I don't know, it's kind of pricey for retail, but considering what the silver rookies sell for, I guess in the grand scheme of things. Alright, Drew Holiday, Ryan Anderson, Wesley Johnson, and a Taurean Prince purple, numbered to 75. And a Biombo, I don't know, Biombo. Gary Harris, DeAndre Jordan, Kristaps Porzingis, DeAndre Jordan again, parallel, I guess fast break parallel, David West, Tobias Harris, Oubre Jr., Billy Donovan, a OG Anunoby emergent parallel, and a Kyle Lowry. DeMarcus Cousins, Van Gundy, Sabonis, a Fundamentals Klay Thompson, and Jahlil Okafor. Jokic, Rajon Rondo. Our first rookie is Damian Dotson. And then a blue Kid Gilchrist to 175. Still sour about the coach cards. What a stupid ass idea. Stanley Johnson, Otto Porter, Mike Conley. Ooh, a Terrence Ferguson orange rookie to 125. Nice there. Tyler Johnson. Haven't hit one of the big rookies yet. Hopefully we do. There's a DJ Wilson who follows me around everywhere. Collison, Jordan Clarkson, a Derek White rookie parallel, and Norman Powell. I hope DJ Wilson becomes the biggest star ever, because when he does, I'm going to have a ton of his cards. Sadaransky, Brooke Lopez, Felicio Porzingis parallel, and TJ Warren. Mahanmi, I don't know. Derrick Rose, Zach LaVine, a Bradley Beal Fundamentals, and Baria. Tristan Thompson, D'Angelo Russell, Mike Conley, Get Hyped, Karl Anthony Towns, and Labissiere. I haven't seen anybody pull a super great auto out of this, so I'm not expecting to either. We'll see though. Rondé Hollis Jefferson, an Ivan Robb rookie. Eric Gordon, this is pink purple to 50, and Okaro White rookie. Man, looks like getting a good rookie is going to be really tough. Stanley Johnson, Andre Robertson, Sabonis parallel, and Jonathan Simmons. Rodney Hood, Gortat, Brandon Ingram, a Harry Giles emergent, and Fournier. Otto Porter, an Agbu rookie, an Andrew Wiggins blue, and Serge Ibaka. Just a couple more packs and still have an auto somewhere. Maybe here. Here's LeBron, Dwayne Wade, yep, Derek White rookie, and looks like Jared Allen. I think I've pulled one of his autos before. Not terrible. I'll take it. Valanciunas. See if we can get one really good rookie. That would be nice. Nurkic, Tyler Dorsey, Anuku again. Evan Turner. Ooh, sweet, there's one. Kuzma. Knew we could do it. And a Brook Lopez parallel and Harrison Barnes. And our last pack. Bellinelli, Trey Lyles, Ginobili, a Patrick Ewing fundamentals, and Rozier. So these are the base cards. These are all parallels, inserts, quite a few. And these are the rookies and rookie parallels and the rookie auto. Try not to slide them around too much so they don't get scratched. Go ahead and get them into some sleeves. Look like Derek White was the theme of the day. I really like this one though. So that's it for this box. I'll be back doing more, well, more of everything. I've ordered the fancy gold standard football box, waiting on that, and a couple other things. Yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead and like so you'll be in the 100 subscriber contest. We're over halfway there already. We got there fast. One of 3 prizes, and yeah, lots of stuff to come, so hopefully you'll subscribe for that as well. Everybody take care.